Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on this laptop. To use split screen feature, you have to open at least two windows on your laptop's desktop, then grab the top bar of one of these windows and drag it to the top of the screen, then choose one of the available positions for your application. As you can see on this laptop, you can place up to 4 different windows on your desktop at the same time. So select the position for the first application and then click on the second one to put it into the second position. You can adjust the size of each window by moving the bar between them, and at this point you can use both applications at the same time. And that's how you use the split screen feature on this laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.